Hello guys, come back to my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Fadilatur Rahma. You can call me Dila. I'm student of English Teaching Learning Program in State Islamic Institute of Madura. Because it is the end of term, so I'm here now to take my final test. My final test is now in the field of speaking one, namely by answering questions that have been given by the lecture. However, the answer to the question must be in the form of a video, not writing, because this lesson is not writing but speaking. So now I want to make a video to answer the question one by one. The first question is, what is the most memorable material in speaking? Explain. The answer, I think the most memorable material in speaking is thanking and apologizing. Thanking is an expression to express gratitude, while apologizing is an expression to express an apology. Why do I think thanking and apologizing is a memorable subject in speaking? Because by learning thanking and apologizing, I can learn how to express gratitude and apology either formally or normally. Even an expression that is expressed to a certain person, such as younger to older. The expression of student to their teacher. And in the thanking and apologizing material, there are levels of expression and how we should respond. For example, expression thank you is the most basic expression of thanking. If we get this expression, we can respond with the expression you are welcome or it's my pleasure, or an expression I'm really grateful for your help. We can respond with the expression you are welcome or never mind. This is one example of thanking, while an example of the expression apologizing is that you can express the word I'm sorry. So you can respond with the phrase no problem or that's okay. Or you receive the phrase I would like to apologize. You can respond with the phrase don't worry about it, or I forgive you. Those are some examples of thanking and apologizing and how to respond. Continue on to the second question. The second question is, what is the most difficult task in speaking one? Explain. I think the most difficult material in speaking for me is asking and giving direction. Asking and giving direction is how to ask and give direction to other people. Asking and giving direction is the most difficult material for me, because honestly I just know how to give direction to other people, and the segment in this material at that time was to draw a plane and make a video. So that made it more difficult for me. because I didn't know how to draw. But with my lecture, I got a waiver that it was okay to draw a square box as long as the name was clear. However, I was still confused because to show a direction I had to know what the side was, and I also had to know what road it was on. But it is hard for me to remember what's on the side of the road we are traveling on. What's even more difficult is that I'm a person who is easily misdirected. Just like on campus, I have the wrong direction, which should be west, but I think it is not. So the material of asking and giving direction is the most difficult material in the field of speaking in my opinion. Okay, continue the last question. The last question is, what learning experience can you take in speaking one? Explain. Okay, the experience I can take in learning speaking one is, of course, how to speak English correctly. Even though my way of speaking is still a lot less correct. And also, what I can take from this learning is that I can work or less know the vocabulary that I didn't know before. Because to speak, I know in advance what vocabulary I will use and what the English of the vocabulary is. And in learning speaking, it can also increase the courage to be able to speak in public without being nervous. Although sometimes I'm nervous, but at least I'm not too nervous. And of course, I also got materials that I didn't know before, such as how to properly thanking and apologizing, and how to show direction to others. Although sometimes I was still confused. Okay, those are some of the experience I can take away from learning speaking one. Actually, there's still many things I can take from learning speaking one, but I can only explain that. Okay guys, that was my answer to my final test question from my lecture. That's all. Thank you for watching my video from start to finish. Hope you find it useful. That's all I say. Thank you very much. Okay, see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.